Rachel Perlman from the Interdepartmental Doctoral Program in Anthropological Sciences will talk about why grass-eating monkeys like potatoes too.
Climate change is having a significant impact on wild animals around the world, causing species to shift where they live, what they eat, and when they reproduce. And to understand the consequences of the changing climate, we first aim to understand how animals are adapted to their current habitats. My research uses non-invasive biological sampling to understand how wild animals react physiologically to fluctuations in their environment. In particular, my research focuses on this unique species called the gelada monkey. They're only found high up in the mountains in Ethiopia, where, as you can see here, there's a really wet time of the year and a really dry time of the year. Geladas also have a very specialized diet. They eat grass, and during the wet time of the year, their diet is almost 100% grass. With such a restricted home range and a specialized diet, this makes conservation of this species particularly important and challenging. To study this, I spent 1 year chasing after monkeys in Ethiopia and collected 500 samples of urine. I shipped the urine to New York and analyzed them in the lab here at Stony Brook. I measured a molecule related to insulin, which regulates the amount of sugar in your blood. So when you eat a carbohydrate-rich meal, say a big bowl of mashed potatoes, your body releases insulin, which says that there's sugar available to be used as energy. So high levels means more energy available. Since geladas rely so heavily on grass, we were pretty certain we would see lower energy during the dry season. But this wasn't the case, and energy was actually higher during the dry season. So what's happening is that monkeys are digging up underground storage organs, which you can think of like a big starchy potato growing in the soil. This means that storage organs are basically one big reserve of carbohydrates. So when we see geladas eating more of these potatoes, they're incorporating more sugar into their diet, which then translates to more energy being available. As you may imagine, this unexpected result questions why geladas don't consume these foods year-round, which is likely due to a combination of their seasonal quality and availability. But with the changing climate, increasing temperatures and longer droughts could disrupt many aspects of gelada diet and behavior. My study is important because it uses innovative biological tools to monitor the energy levels of wild monkeys in a non-invasive way. These data are necessary to understand the ecological needs of wildlife, and moving forward can help inform the development of future strategies in species management and conservation.